Tired of annoying turtlenecks? Transform them for a brand new look. Mark front neck center, then 35 inches down. Connect neckline and mark. Keep sides symmetrical. Cut along the marked line with a pair of scissors. Remember to cut only the top layer. Mark 15 centimeters down from neck center. Cut out the back neckline along the drawn line. Now the neckline is done. Slit the seams next to the collar, flatten and cut into a rectangle. Cut evenly into 2 parts along the line, place face to face. Cut off half of back collar, grab a strong thread, and use a needle threader to thread in 1 second. Sew the back neck edges together with small blanket stitches. Keep stitches small and dense, otherwise thread may show. Then tie a knot to secure after sewing trim excess thread. Fold the neckline edge in half, press flat. Place neckline edge at collar center, draw an extension line. Open the neckline, draw an inverted triangle, align face to face, sew along the line on the wrong side, then leave a 1 centimeter seam allowance, cut once at the center. Now the V-neck is done. Align both neck seams, mark back neckline center. Turn garment to wrong side, align collar's back center, mark pin to secure. The front collar tip should also be secured with a needle in the same way. Start stitching from the shoulder seam, use the back stitch here, secure with a few back and forth stitches. Then align all 3 layers of fabric evenly and use a small running stitch to sew all the way around. For a crisp, polished finish, the key is nailing the details. First, keep your stitching line straight and continuous. Don't stop and start every few stitches. Second, use a short stitch length. Shorter, tighter stitches yield a much finer finish. I share clothing alteration tips every day. Sisters, how about tapping that little red heart to show some love? Wishing you all the best. Take a few extra stitches back and forth at the center front and continue with small running stitches for the rest. Many unworn clothes can be altered reasonably, but many fans told me that the needles they use can't be pushed or pulled easily and are prone to bending or breaking. They ask why my sewing is so smooth? It is because we use different tools. Check out this steel needle. It's nice and smooth and the tip is super sharp. It cuts through over 20 layers of denim without any trouble at all. Better tools make sewing a breeze and keep you safe. If you need this set, sisters, click the link in my bio to grab the same kit at 40% off now. Look how neat these stitches are. Now let's finish the edge. Bring needle out from inside, stitch beside, wrap, and pull. Forward, separate, and loop threads over needle pull. This is called a double thread overlock stitch. It finishes the edge really well and works up fast. And once it's locked, it won't fray or come undone, even if you machine wash or hand wash it. Look, a cozy and beautiful V-neck sweater is all done. Was this useful? I truly value every like and save. Thank you.